Welcome to Shiksha Maths Academy. See here next continuation of limits, IIT Mains, IIT JEE and MCET all competitive exams. See the shortcut of using this 1 plus x whole to the power of n is equal to 1 plus nx. Now we can solve these problems. Okay, see here. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. 3 into 1 plus sin x whole to the power of 1 by 2. Can I write this? This can be written as 1 plus sin x whole to the power of 1 by 2. 3 write as it is. Okay. Minus this one also. 1 minus 1 by cube root of 1 by 3. Cube root of okay. Here also 1 minus sin x whole to the power of 1 by 3 by x. Okay. So limit x tends to 0. Applying the formula 1 plus nx, our formula is 1 plus nx. 1 plus n. N means 1 by 3 sin x minus here 1 minus 1 by 3 sin x by x. See here, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. That is equal to limit x tends to 0. 1 by 3 sin x minus into minus plus 1 by 3 sin x plus 1 by 3 sin x. 2 by 3 sin x by x. Here one of the formula is there in limits. Limit x tends to 0. Sin x by x is equal to 1. This is the formula. Sin x by x is equal to 1. So now I am applying the formula 2 by 3 into limit x tends to 0 sin x by x. So this value is 1. So 2 by 3 into 1 that is equal to 2 by 3. So our answer is second option 2 by 3. Now using this formula we can easily solve in this type of sums. You will get answer in 3 seconds. Okay. It's very useful. 1 plus x whole to the power of n is equal to 1 plus nx. See the next sum, limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by square root of x plus 1 minus 1 using this shortcut. Okay, see here. That is equal to limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by, how can you write this one? 1 plus x whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus 1. Now applying the shortcut limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 into x minus 1. So gets cancelled. That is equal to limit x tends to 0, 3 power x minus 1 by 1 by 2 into x. This to send in numerator. This to send in numerator. Limit x 2 into 3 power x minus 1 by x. Here one of the formula is there. So formula is limit x tends to 0. A power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a base e. Log a base e. This is the formula. Limit x tends to 0. A power x minus 1 by x is equal to log a base e. So now here I am applying the formula. Limit x tends to 0. 2 is constant. 2 is constant. Log. In this a place I am writing 3. So log 3 base e. Again log is there. No? So this base power in right here power. So limit x tends to 0. So 2 into log 3 base e. This 2 can I write here? Log 3 whole square. That is equal to log 9 base e. Log 9 base e is second option. Okay. See the next question. Using this our formula, limit y tends to 0. How can you solve this one? Okay. See here. It's very important. Limit y tends to 0. Square root of 1 plus in the square root of 1 plus y power 4. 1 plus y power 4 minus root 2 by 4. Okay. See the options 1 by 4 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2 to root 2 plus 1. And the fourth option is 1. Okay. See the solution. How can you solve this one? Limit y tends to 0. Limit y tends to 0. 1 plus. First I am applying this inner root. But inko root undi kada 1 plus y power 4. Here one of the root is there. So first I am applying this formula, first root. Okay. See here, 1 plus 1 by 2 into y power 4 whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus root 2 by y power 4. Is correct? See here, 1 plus write as it is, and in this 1 plus y power 4, applying the formula 1 plus y power 4 whole to the power of 1 by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 plus nx whole to the power of 1 by 2. This root, its root nothing but whole root 1 by 2. Okay, minus root 2 write as it is. Limit y tends to 0. So 2 plus 1 by 2 y power 4 minus whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus root 2 by y power 4. Here in this bracket 2 is taken as common. 2 is taken as common. 1 plus 1 by 4 into y power 4 whole to the power of 1 by 2 minus root 2 by y power 4. Okay, that is equal to limit y tends to 0. This root 2 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Okay, 2 whole to the power of 1 by 2. How can you write? Root 2. So here also root 2 and this is root 2. Root 2 into 1 plus 1 by 4 into y to the power of 4 1 by 2 minus root 2 by y power 4. That is equal to limit y tends to 0. Here again apply the formula. Root 2 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Here, so 1 by 8 y power 4 minus root 2 by y power 4. See here, root 2 into 1 root 2, this root 2 gets cancelled, and remaining value is limit y tends to 0, root 2 by 8. Again multiplication this one, root 2, 1 by 8 also. So root 2 by 8 into y power 4 by y power 4 gets cancelled. So remaining value is root 2 by 8. Root 2 by 8. But answer is not there. Root 2 by 8. See here. First option is 1 by 4 root 2 and second option is 1 by 2 root 2. Third option and fourth option. So option is not there. So that's why I am multiplying and dividing with root 2 into root 2. So root 2 into root 2, 2 by 8 root 2. 8 2 ones are 2 4s are. That is equal to 1 by 4 root. So first option. Okay. See here next sum. Okay. Do this homework and using this 1 plus x, this shortcut 1 plus x whole to the power of n is equal to 1 plus nx. Okay, answer in put in comment box. Okay, if you like the video, like and share and subscribe.